Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this puzzle page in today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday. Saturday, August the 26th, 2023. And I've already done two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku tectonic. Yes, and we will start with this one, the binary puzzle, and this one is a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. Yeah, 10 by 10. Let me position the camera first because I'm having troubles with my camera tripod. Yes. Okay. So this one will be number 6989. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And I've told you it's a 10 by 10. That means in a row we need 5 ones, and in a column we need 5 O's. In a row or in a column we need 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the O's. Double, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in a row. In this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be no. If I place the 5th one there, we still have 3 O's in a last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. And now we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allow, one of the rules. So that's gonna be one. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Then. Overlook this double one. Here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. This is number 5. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. ones and an O between the 1 and an O with two NP boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 5 minutes. I'm pleased with the time. 5 minutes. So, and I've enjoyed this binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.